Hello, Nathan Olivia with Live with Lemmy, and I'm joined here with a very special guest. His name is Chester. So, what do you like to do in your free time? Yes, that is great. I love doing that too. I love just sniffing their butts. So, Chester, what is your favorite childhood memory? Yeah, I love doing that too in my free time. What is your favorite place to eat out? Yeah, that's my reaction when I eat there too. Tastes so good. Who is your favorite musician, Chester? I like Adele too. Yeah. Would you like to sing some Adele with me? Okay. So. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching up to bringing me out the door. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Wow, thank you. That was great. Well, what was your worst childhood memory? When your dog got hit by a car? I'm so sorry. You know what? I think that deserves a good point. You've gone through a lot, I know. I know, you're a good dog. Okay. More questions to be answered. Who do you love most in this world? I love you too, Chester. Wow, that's great.